So I am drawing this one, and as you can see, I have skipped the hands. We have to draw the easiest portion first. I am drawing the legs for now. Like this. Yes. Now done. It's done. Now here are the hands. It's like this. Here is the ball. So this is the basic figure of the object.
And what is the importance of doing basic figure?
Basic figure, once you go very complex, you will not be able to understand the basic things like where are his hands and those things. So first, when we do this, we can do the other detailings like we had here. Like this. Somewhat like this. And the eyes, mouth. Yes, so it's like this.
Okay, you are taking 2 minutes to draw a character.
Yes.
Good, that is.